recording. One sec. Hey guys, I made a video earlier and I never recorded it. So yeah, here we go. I just wanted to show you what I've got done here with the wiring. Alrighty. There is the switching relay. I got all the zones, but the one here, I don't have a pump for this one yet. But I have the connector here. I'll just have to splice the ground in, and I don't even need the grounds. These don't have any ground hookups. These pumps do have a ground hookup, so I hooked them up. But I ran the grounds. They're just stuffed in there. They can, you never know. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, there's all hooked up. All my wiring's hooked up. I got the Aquastats hooked up. This switch here is for the primary pump. I just have to I gotta find a cover. I got a cover out in the garage for it. Cover out in the garage, and I got a labeler. I'm gonna label that, keep it on. But I have it there to service. So yeah, that's there. So this cable here, cables everywhere up here. This cable here is coming from the junction box by the timer. This one's going to the pump. This one's for the pump, and then I have this one here is going to power up this switching relay. Power runs in here. I'm switching the pump, running to the switching relay. Alright, it's coming around here. I'm not completely done yet. I ran out of cable. I ran out of armored cable. On the back here, got the plug. I ran out of these straps too. I gotta get a couple more of these straps. Freaking $100, over $100, more than $100 in electrical supplies. So yeah, I got that hooked up there. I got that threaded in there. Best it'll thread. It's tight. Yeah, I got that there. I can plug it in, unplug it. I gotta remove the motor. Ran the cable over here neat as I could. Like I said, I gotta get more of those pipe straps. This one here. I wanted to run this one here along with that one, but that was all the cable I had. Okay, so that's all hooked up in there. Ground is for the Stoker motor. Someone suggested that. That ground's coming off of the switching relay wiring. And then the ground, there you can see I got a green wire with red tape on it. I'm using that from the timer. Okay, over here, timer. Here's the timer. I got this one here with the jumper, 1 to 3. I got the green wire painted with the red tape on it. That's going to the Aquastat. And then we got the 2 power wires going out. And then this one here, I got a wire yet. I'm going to put a master switch here, label that, but I need a cord to run over to the other junction box for the furnace. And I need, well, I guess I could use Romex, but what I want to do is I want to put a plug. I want to fix that up. I got a box extension for over here. This probably isn't code. I don't really give a shit. This is how my dad had it rigged up. So I'm gonna make it, neaten it up a bit. I'm gonna put I'm gonna put this cable here, this cable right here. I got my finger on here. This cable right here. I'm gonna put a plug on the end of it. I'm gonna run a cable off the box over there, put a plug on it. I got this box extension here so I can have more room, and I'm gonna put an outlet there. And oh, hold on a second. That's gonna have to be a switched outlet. Oh no. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll have an outlet there, and I'll have it so I can plug the 2 in. In case, because I have the suicide cord over there, but what if the 240 generator fails and I got to run off an inverter or something like that? I always think of these things. I don't know, or I could just, because I have to, I don't know. What do you guys think? Like I said, I have it plugged in here. I'm just going to do the same thing over there for master power. It's not that much of a draw at all. And you can see, my dad had the well pump done the same way. I'm just going to neaten everything up. And I'm glad I had this for the well pump, because when you got to prime the pump, Dad never finished anything either. I'm trying to finish stuff here, so yeah, I got to fix that up too. And what do we got here? Old rubber cord. I don't know, it works. Ain't touching it. But yeah, I guess that he had a power failure for a couple days, and he went and bought himself a little 120 volt generator, and That's how I powered everything up. So yeah, here we go. Here's the maze. Like I said, out of these hot water circuits here, these are the hotter water circuits. That's the radiant down there. These are all but done except for the one. Well, no, not completely done. This loop here goes into the addition, and then I have it taped off so no critters might, if there would be any, would get into the pipe. But I got to finish that. I got to finish that zone. That's going to be 3 radiators. I have the 1 radiator, but my mom's got bookshelves and dining room tables and knickknacks and all kinds of things in the way, and I got to put a new dining room kitchen floor down. So you know, that's a hold up on that. And then I got to find 2 radiators for the laundry room and the bathroom yet. No rush on that. I'm going to run the heat exchanger. So yeah, this zone here is the 5 radiators in the front rooms. That's ready to go. So I got to put 1 radiator in yet. I got to get my mom's room, move a bunch of boxes around so I can get in there. But that's a half an hour job, so I got to do that tomorrow. Keep saying I'm going to do it tomorrow. Well, I'll get it done. So this zone's for the front of the house. 5 radiators. This zone here is the water air heat exchanger. A little bit here. This zone here, like I said, will be for this will be for the 3 radiators in the downstairs, and then this one here is going to be for the 2 radiators in the upstairs. There we have the primary pump. Like I said, I got ways to shut it on and off. I got the way to turn the power off there. I'm going to mark that to leave it on. And then the last zone is going to be going upstairs, and I'm just trying to show you how I'm going to do my. That's going to be 2 separate 1/2-inch runs going upstairs. And I'm just going to do this thing here. I just have it kind of mocked up. I'm going to do a half off of there and half that way. You get the idea. Yeah, because I'm running out of room. Really out of room. You see all this wiring, all this piping. Hey, I try to do it as neat as possible. Stuff was already there. Hey. It is what it is. So yeah, I gotta finish fitting the case too. You can see the case needs to be fitted. It's just hanging on there. So yeah, so there, that's wired up. Wiring runs over down there to that pump there too. Okay, that's the radiant zone for the garage. I gotta hook that up yet, but I do have the pipe run over. You can see here's the pipes for the heat exchanger, and then I have to do this yet. I gotta hook that up, put a master switch there, put the cover on that. All right. So yeah, I got the 2 PEX to run over here. I got to cut that, and then foam it up so no water comes through. Got a little bit of water comes in there. I'm not really worried about it. Once the water heats up, it'll be all right. Redoing the whole thing. But anyway, this pipe's got water in it. Yeah. But yeah, the way it is around here, I mean, it'll fill up with dirt. It'll fill up with dirt. It'll be insulated. That's how the basement was here. The water used to just leak through the wall, and it would just bring in dirty water and dirt. And when I moved home and started cleaning this basement up, I shoveled. I couldn't tell you. Probably a pickup truck load of dirt out of the basement. So yeah, at last, here's the heat exchanger. That's all hooked up. I just gotta put some caulk in there. And there. The only thing I'm worried about is I'm going to be drawing return air from this part of the house, which has the cast iron radiators. It's probably going to run more. You know, once I get all the radiators in, then this zone here, I could block off the vents and just heat the basement with it, or I can just run off of this piping right here, and then I can put a cast iron radiator down here. With all this busyness going on here, I haven't been able to double up the floor joists, so I'm just going to put like a wall here with a shelf, storage shelf. Just to leave myself enough room for maintenance in there. Somewhere like where I'm standing here, right here, I'll put a wall up in here. Some shelves that'll keep the floor from getting bouncy. This is the only room I didn't put double floor joists under. This house was built out of used materials, and it was wet for many years, and it's home. I'm doing what I can. can see I doubled all these up, and floors are much less bouncy. The beam's got a sag in it. I can't even see the beam. This main beam's got a sag in it. Ain't nothing you can do about it. It's been that way for probably 50 years. So it is what it is. House of crooked floors. So yeah, eventually I'll get to redoing some of this wiring I did when I was a teenager. It's all good. I went to school for that. It's just sloppy. Sloppy. I wanted to go out on the high street and instead, I didn't want to help. I wanted to rush through things helping my dad, so I got the